Hey guys! Welcome back my channel. If you're a bachelor, single, or just someone who hates cooking complicated meals, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 rice cookers perfect for small kitchens, busy lifestyles, and your wallet. Stick around till the end to watch as I will reveal the number 1 pick that's a total game changer. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our kitchen gadget reviews. Also, check the links in the description below for the best deals on these rice cookers. And feel free to comment below suggesting which rice cookers should have made to this list for bachelors and single people. Now let's get started. Number 5. Instant Pot or a 10-in-1 multi-cooker. Starting at number 5 is the Instant Pot or a 10-in-1 multi-cooker. This 8-cup powerhouse isn't just for rice. It slow cooks, steams, and even sautés. The stainless steel pot is dishwasher safe, and it's got smart programs for quinoa, oatmeal, and sushi rice. My take? If you're a bachelor who loves experimenting, this replaces 3 appliances. Downsides? It's a bit bulky for tiny counters. But trust me, the versatility makes it worth every inch. Number 4. Black & Decker RC 5066 Cup Rice Cooker. At number 4 is the Black & Decker RC 506, a no-nonsense 6-cup cooker with a steaming tray and automatic keep warm. It's foolproof, 1 button, perfect fluffy rice every time. I ever used this in an Airbnb and it is super reliable. The downside? No fancy settings like brown rice modes. But for under $30? It's a steal for hassle-free meals. Number 3. Zojirushi NSTSC10 Micom Rice Cooker. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Zojirushi NSTSC10. This 5.5-cup gem uses fuzzy logic tech to adjust cooking temps for perfect texture. It's got a delay timer and settings for brown, white, even sushi rice. My foodie friends swear by this. It's like the Tesla of rice cookers. But it's pricey. Still, if you're a rice snob, this is a lifelong investment. Number 2. Dash Mini Rice Cooker. The Dash Mini takes number 2. This adorable 2-cup cooker is tiny enough for a studio apartment. It's automatic, non-stick, and cooks fast. I took this on camping with ease. It's that portable. The catch? Only makes 1 to 2 servings. But if you're cooking solo? It's perfect. Plus, under $30? No-brainer. Number 1. Aroma Housewares ARC 914 SBD. Topping our list is the Aroma Housewares ARC 914 SBD. This 4-cup rice cooker doubles as a steamer, has a keep-warm function, and costs less than a week's groceries. I've burned cheap cookers before, but this one has lasted my best friend 3 years now and counting. It's basic, but that's the point. The only flaw? No fancy settings. But for bachelors who want reliability? This is IT. And those are the top 5 rice cookers for bachelors. Whether you're a meal prep pro or just surviving on ramen, these will upgrade your kitchen game. Check the links in the description below for the best deals on Amazon. Prices change fast, so grab yours now. And if this review helped you, subscribe. I will be dropping new reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.